The foreign exchange currency market, sometimes called the Forex or the FX, is the largest, most volatile and liquid market on the planet. It trades over $3 trillion a day. It's generally been reserved for central banks, governments, large financial institutions, trading their nation's currencies back and forth, the pound, the dollar, the yen, the euro, in major pair sequences.
We started Forex Wealth Network. Really, you could answer the question as well as we could. We wanted to share the wealth and also prove to everyone that automated trading systems could be widely popular, widely accepted, and work for the average investor.
The main point is that what was normally reserved for behemoth, gigantic organizations has now become available to individual investors. Warren Buffett of Berkshire Hathaway did over $290 million in the FX in just one quarter, 3 months. It's a $3 trillion a day tidal wave of money. Regardless of the present economic conditions anywhere on planet Earth, the FX is always out there, it's always trading, it's always profitable, there are always trades, and there are always profits, there are always losses. The trick to this is making sure that your profits are ahead of your losses. You can't have one without the other. And what we've attempted to do here is make sure that your wins always outpace and outperform your losses.
XGrid is different than other software you've probably heard about. XGrid takes advantage of market waves, the market movements. It's more of a style of trading than a trading system. It hedges risk by utilizing techniques that take profit out of the market while taking care of your risk at the same time.
The foreign exchange market is not for the weak, it's not for the timid, it's not for low liquidity, it's not for people that are breaking open the piggy bank and hoping to win the lotto. It's going to return greater investment profitability than gold, real estate, any bank, financial institution vehicle that you can find, but only with the proper tools and technology, with expert advice. And FXWN provides expert advice in the form of its software. We've distilled the best methods, strategies, techniques, math, algorithms that have been used for decades, and we've added some of our own innovations, and we've distilled it down to a piece of software that runs locally on your PC. It allows you as an individual to trade currency pairs in the FX marketplace. It helps you to determine where to pick your profits, to get into the market, to get out of the market, to do it safely, conservatively, aggressively, or optimally, which is what we hope, where the returns far and away outpace the losses, and the profits that you generate are spectacular, like nothing you've ever seen before.
When we describe our software as automated, what we really mean is that XGrid software does the heavy lifting for you. It makes all the trades, it uses algorithms and logic and math, it puts you in positions and takes you out of positions, all in an automated way without any human intervention. It manages risk, it utilizes money management techniques, and your own personal settings if that's what you desire.
The way the FX currency market works is really not a mystery. It's not that difficult to figure out. It's like any market. You buy low, you sell high, you take long or short positions, you invest capital to get a return on investment. Perhaps what makes it unique is that it's currency pairs, the majors, and we have just reams of material about this at fxwn.net.
We do deliver XGrid software in 3 basic settings. Aggressive, which is designed to put you in the market extremely fast, People who use aggressive settings are seeking 30 to 50% a month, but they have a high degree of risk tolerance. We have conservative settings, which provide somewhere in the neighborhood of 10% a month for people who are risk averse and want a very stable environment for their money. And a setting in between we call optimal, named optimal for the appropriate reason. It resides in its return somewhere between those two settings, making for a very stable investment environment.
So anytime you have a $3 trillion a day tempo, there are going to be winners and there are going to be losers. If you were to enter the marketplace without general cursory knowledge, at least, of the FX, you could lose some or all of your money quite easily.
We are constantly asked about what kind of results somebody could receive. With the most conservative settings, we aim to see an account double every year, somewhere in the neighborhood of 10% a month. With the most aggressive settings, we aim for a doubling of one's account 2 to 3 months. And with optimal, somewhere again in between, all depending on what you establish your own risk tolerance to be. Anyone who's interested in investment in currency or the foreign exchange market should be taking notice of what Forex Wealth Network's up to. My greater passion is the delivery of this software tool to anyone who has an interest in investing. It's the most exciting and liquid market in the world, and any investor should be paying attention to what's happening in Forex today.